Hey guys, Morel McCrary here. It's been a minute since I've been on video for the public to see anyway. I'll give you a little marketing tip later on in a different video about what I've been doing to incorporate video for customers. But what I wanted to talk about today was an opportunity that I had to interview a candidate for a position here at Ramtech. And it was kind of neat because, you know, I've had mentors kind of the whole process through building this business, the whole way I've been kind of coached and brought along, and people invested in me, and I've reinvested that time in other people as well. So I had a unique opportunity that didn't go like I thought it was going to go, but I'm grateful that it did. So I've been doing this audio book for Gary Vaynerchuk, right? It's the Crushing It book. And I'm not going to call the candidate out by name, but I'm going to text him a copy of this video because I need him to know that listening to this book again is kind of bringing back that feeling of, okay, this is why. Okay, so rewind about 20 years ago when I was thinking about doing this whole Ramtech thing full time. You know, I had a passion, I had a dream, I had my goal set. I wanted to go out, seek, and accomplish that goal. I wanted to be the biggest IT provider on the south side of Atlanta. Like that was my goal. I remember telling people that, and that was my passion. So I'm listening to the stories in this Crush It book by Gary Vaynerchuk, and Gary V talks to different people, and different people are telling their story about how they're crushing it, right? And I don't feel like I'm crushing it. I feel like I'm doing a good job, and I push hard, and I want to be best at what I can be, and I don't think I'll ever achieve that, but that's a goal, right? You always want to better yourself and be the best version of yourself. So I was talking to this candidate, and we have been talking for about 3 weeks now about, you know, what it looks like, and what the day-to-day looks like for you guys, or for here at Ramtech, and what he would be doing or she would be doing. And the biggest piece of it was I asked the candidate, I said, are you passionate about what you're doing? And they paused. The candidate paused and said, you know, now that you mention it, I need to give that some thought. And I was like, well, yeah, I mean, give it some thought. Like, IT is the thing to do. It's, you know, everybody's doing cybersecurity and IT services and blah, blah, blah. So I was anticipating him or she or them to come back and say, yes, I want that position. Yes, I want that job. But on the flip side of that, I think I inspired this candidate to go out and invest in themselves and seek out their passion. So if you're not doing that, I encourage you, I push you, I challenge you. Go seek out your passion and go make it happen. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope you get a nugget from that. Just chase after your goals, chase after them hard, because at the end of the day, you only get one shot at this thing called life, and you got to make the best of it. Take care, guys.